Check out the Chevrolet 2005 Monte Carlo LS. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include preferred equipment Group 1, Sun and Sound Package, 6-speaker sound system feature, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, cassette, radio data system, weather band radio and air conditioning. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.